Light by Lotus 4-inch recessed LED high output. 4-inch recessed LED with integral driver in connection box. Round and square options for trims, white and black. 1000 lumen output, high performance fixture. 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5 CCT 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. CRI 90+ for true color rendering. Triac Dimmable down to 10%. 3.5-inch thick. Install where ceiling space is limited. Type IC rated, no housing required. Fast and easy to install, save on labor. Driver inside connection box, no junction box needed. Available accessories, flat and flanged mounting plates, low voltage extension cables for remotely mounting the driver. Other colors of reflectors and trims available by custom order. ETL and Energy Star certified. 5-year warranty.